Hello everyone. This is an unboxing video of Oxlight's wiring kit, which comes from a brand called Vaishnu. It's made in India. It looks like they have been in business since 1971, as you can see, which makes them 52 years in business, if my math is right. Okay, so I purchased this from Amazon. This is how it came to me, and if you open it, you see that it's a very snug fit box. Okay, and then you take it out by simply turning it upside down. There goes the carton. Alright, you can see here it says horn wiring kit, but it's not a horn wiring kit, it's an Oxlight wiring kit like it says on the top. And out here, if you can see, they have the product codes which are listed here, along with the suitable application which that particular product has been designed for, the type of vehicle it is intended for example a car or a bike. The only thing that they have which can be used both in a car and a bike is the horns, product code 6101. And alongside that you have the prices which are mentioned out here. So this particular product is code number 4107, which is meant for 2 aux or fog lights with a CNC switch. This is a better quality switch, suitable for motorcycles, and the price mentioned is 1,699 Indian rupees, but I got this for 1,499 including shipping, and this comes with a 1-year warranty. Okay, so let's unbox this and see what we have inside. First off, you have some warranty and operation instructions, installation guide chart, along with a pair of, not a pair in fact, they have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medium length, medium size zip ties, which is good. We'll put these aside. We will need them sometime later for sure. And now is the main thing. Couplers. I'll explain what that is for. And this is a cable tie. Oh. Interesting. So they claim that this is a plug-and-play unit. Okay. We'll explain what these are. These are the terminals which connect to the battery. Needless to explain, red is for positive and black is for negative. We have the relay, which they say is a very compact size. I don't think this is any more compact than what you usually find in the market, but it's not too large either, and is properly sealed like it should be. Apologies for that. The next thing they say is the blade fuse, which is claimed to have been imported from Japan. Basically, they're trying to say that it's a very good quality product, which I hope it is, and it's rated for 15 amperes, as you can see. Okay. Put it back in, nice and tight, locks in, and the cover goes in place. That locks either. So this relay, you have to secure it somewhere in the motorcycle so that it does not keep dangling from here to there when the vehicle is in motion. The covering here is good quality and it's nicely taped up, so it's really tight, really tight. Okay, these cables go to the battery, and then this is the length of the cable, which ideally should be run through underneath the tank. These are the ones which will connect to your aux lamps here. If your aux lamps do not have this kind of connectors, that's exactly why they have given you these. You can connect the loose ends to your aux lamp directly, or tie it up, solder it up to the cable, which of course here has loose ends. Tape them up nicely so that they become wireproof, or you can also do an arrangement of this kind, for which you will need some kind of a heat gun to make sure that the insulation actually melts and sticks to the connections here. And of course after that, these will connect to these couplers here like this. See, it's nice and tight, and that's how you get a standard fitment. Okay, so for now we're going to unplug them. So you've got two of these, one for each aux lamp. So you leave these aside, and then we move on to the rest of the cabling. This connects to the ignition of your motorcycle. The idea behind this connection is to make sure that power supply is provided to the aux light wiring or the aux lights only when you turn on the ignition. Otherwise, if you forget to turn off the fog lamps, or if somebody turns them on while your vehicle is parked and you're away from it, it will drain the battery completely and very quickly. So you connect it to that, and then we come to the reason why we have paid this extra bit of money for this particular setup over and above the other one, which is available for 1,038 rupees. That's approximately 460 rupees less than what we have paid for this one. Now, what's so special about this? It's a die-cast aluminum switch. That's what's special about it. So as you can see, it's completely sealed. You take a look at this. This is not how you find products, the usual run-of-the-mill products. And the quality of the switch seems reasonable. I will not say that it's anything extraordinary, but this is good. They say this is aluminum. It probably is, but it's waterproof. That's the best part about it. I think the switch is more like something which is just been pushed in. I don't see any screws anywhere which connect to this switch. This part is sealed, so is the rest of it. The only thing that you can take apart is with the help of these two bolts here, or screws. You will be able to remove half of this ring, and this will connect to your handlebar. Now the problem I see with this is that, if I talk about my motorcycle, which is a Royal Enfield Meteor, the handlebar is way thicker than what this one provides. So I know for sure that it's not going to be a snug fit, or there's going to be a gap between the two sides of the ring, and I most likely will also have to go for longer screws to make sure that these two at least are able to have some kind of a connection. But that's not a deal breaker. And the switch also, as you can see, is connected via a coupler, and that's just to make it modular, because like I said, the other variety or other variant of the same setup comes with a normal switch, which is more of a run-of-the-mill. It's water resistant, it's not waterproof. This one, however, at least the company claims, is waterproof, and it does seem to be waterproof. You may want to apply some kind of maybe some silicone glue, or the normal one that you find, which we use in our household with the help of a heat gun. and that should make it even better. So that's it. The fog lamps have already been installed onto the motorcycle engine guards, and most likely tomorrow we're going to get this thing installed and then connect the fog lamps and make sure that they have become operational. We'll provide another video on how the fog lamps are, how much did they cost me, and also on the performance of them. If you've stayed with me for so long, thank you very much for your time. If you think that this video has been informative in any way, and if you think that this can help you make a more informed decision next time you are in the market for something like this, please consider liking and subscribing this channel. Thank you once again very much for your time. Have a good day. Stay safe. We'll talk again later. Bye.